Hello everyone, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to solve and fix this problem. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, you don't need to open your WhatsApp. Go and open your settings of your phone. After that, you have to open your apps option and search for WhatsApp. Open then your WhatsApp like this. Scroll down to storage option. Click on clear cache and right now you have to pack. Click on force stop and click OK. Now go directly to Play Store. Update your WhatsApp on the last version. Then the next or the last step is to restart your phone. So that's all guys. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing our channel. See you next time.